Hello everyone, welcome to EduMoon tutorials. My name is Joshika and I am your instructor for the subject of RDBMS. Today is the introductory session for RDBMS. In this session, we will learn about RDBMS and what are the topics that we will cover in this curriculum. So now let's get started. Now let's start with the basic term that we all know, that is DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. That means the data which has a base is managed through a system. In technical terms, we can say it as it is a system software for creating or managing databases. Now let's come to our main topic, that is RDBMS. RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. It is a program that is used to maintain a relational database. And here in RDBMS, it is also similar to DBMS. What we do in DBMS is we create the data, we can insert or update or even delete. In the same way, in RDBMS also, we can insert, create, update and delete the data. Then, what is the difference? The main difference is, it is used to maintain a relational database. Here, relational means a table. We can say that in RDBMS, the data will be in form of tables. So we can also say that RDBMS is a user guided system, because here the user can update and delete or manipulate the data in form of tables. This is the basis for all modern database systems such as MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft Access, etc. RDBMS uses SQL queries to access the data in the database. In our further sessions, we will know everything about SQL queries and how do we use them to access the database. Now, let's see the major difference between DBMS and RDBMS. As I have already told you before, DBMS will store the data in form of files. Whatever data that we give, whether it is a name or place or it's about a person or a thing, it will be stored in form of files. Whereas in RDBMS, as I have already told you, R means relation. Here the data is formed in form of tables. You can see the table here. I have two data types that are, I have a name and their age, and these are stored in form of tables. Okay, so in RDBMS, we can say that table means a relation. And next, in RDBMS, the system will look at the physical details of the data. It will look into the physical details only, so that the user can see the logical data. That means we need not know the inner meaning or the inner structure of the data being stored. The user will only see the format which is in form of tables. Okay, this is about RDBMS. Now, the topics that we cover in this curriculum are database systems, SQL, database design, database application design and development, query evaluation, architectures, and transaction management. In the next session, we will start with the database systems. Thank you.